MP Marim Joka Seng Trinul Congress ka Moitra ka Pyrshah beno na ni chapandu no general khot na po Lok Sabha mantaka singi ka khalwe trik no pra kala ujor yakni ki shabe jonka sa po Supreme Court laban ka ni ba ka Moitra ka shabe ka fratarik mata ubnai hadi belawan ra ya ka report joka ethic committee Andre ka singi ban ra ya ka report joka ethic committee ka dan ki ya tai ka bajor khamtam me ne ki nokar na ni ki MP joka Seng Trinul Congress ki bla dawa na speaker ka Lok Sabha baka Moitra ka di buyok kala bankan an Pyrshah ka ikabasha kan no Henry na kalang jo speaker baka hamtam me ne ki MP kalang Pyrshah kam shimla sha trat ya ka Moitra bakan Pyrshah ba la shimbi ya karai man be no ne pendu no ya jener khot jongka
It's a house members but today all we are deciding the right of a person when we are deciding the right of a person we are all acting as a quasi judicial body and before a quasi judicial body a affected person should be heard. Sir, I will request you kindly allow Moitra to be heard. That is the request I am going on making. Sir, if this is a disturbance, sir, when we speak, then no, please. Against us would be privilege would be there, against us everything would be there, and they will be going on disturbing everything every day. Sir, you see, fundamental principles of law that a person against whom a charge has been brought and the persons who are bringing the charges that should be established in accordance with the procedure of law. Sir, here this case will clearly reveal that because of who is the main man. Main man was Darshan Hiranan Nandani, who has relied upon his statement. His name is Jai Anand Dehadri, who has brought it, one of the Honorable MP Nishikanta Dubey. On what basis it is going on? It is going on the basis of Darshan Hiranan Nandani. His affidavit has been brought. Sir, before the committee even, the Darshan Hiranan Nandani was not brought as a witness, and he has not testified. This is his affidavit. This is his affidavit. This affidavit, no affidavit can be relied upon unless a person comes and say, this is my affidavit, whatever I have said in the contents, these contents are correct and what I am saying. Thereafter, sir, in a quasi-judicial proceeding, right of cross-examination is a fair hearing. Sir, right of hearing is not...
Hadin gini shabe no na po parliament kam Moitra kam kabri ko buju therbe ya ka seng BJP bakalyang sensya kala theru akane ka sngi hakaba kala ong baka sengjong BJP kamla ban set action tor jongka bakala ongru menta karang dap sop Snem ka arta bakarang sa asal life Snem bakanya khun Pyrshah ya ka BJP hadu menakut sendon kan ka seng.
What is important is that if this Modi government thought that by shutting me up they are going to do away with the Adani issue, let me tell you this, that this kangaroo court has only shown to all of India that the haste and the abuse of due process you have used demonstrates how important Mr. Adani is to you and to what length you will go to harass a single woman MP into shutting her into submission. I am 49 years old. I will fight you for the next 30 years inside parliament, outside parliament, in the gutter, on the streets. Adim hanghingstra manobikatar jodi ami keu hoi sojon harane shoshane toder chita ami tulboi. We will see the end of you. The ethics committee has no power to expel. You have assumed the powers of a quasi judicial authority and imposed a penalty on me that you have no power to do. You have disregarded due process, proportionality and abused every tenet. This is the beginning of your end. जब नाश मनुष्य पर छाता है तो पहले विवेक मर जाता है. We are going to come back and we are going to see the end of you. So thank you very much.
Oh,
thank
well
you.
done. Well